You again.
Well, this time I brought a friend.
What's up?
You wanna know a secret? Volcanic lightning beats magnetic field. Yeah, Brandon and I have a Gravedigger, but I'm not sure how long we can hold it.
He'll kill her. You go ahead, I'll catch up.
Katie, activate self-destruct.
Password, please.
Rosebud.
Self-destruct activated.
Then put this safe house on a 10-minute fuse, then blow it.
Understood.
Oh, you back, huh? You gonna run again?
Damn.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Mom! Sweetie, are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good, I'm good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Lynn, Black Lightning is fighting Gravedigger. He needs that anti-booster.
Mom, go. Go, we're fine, go.
I ain't got time for this. What are you thinking? You should have gone for the head.
You know what I was thinking? You ain't too tough without those extra powers. You have nothing to be ashamed of. You fought well.
Something's wrong. The ASA system is really upset. It's on self-destruct.
Override.
Saying it can't be. They have 60 seconds to get out.
Jeff, you need to get out of there, right now. There's a self-destruct.
The safe room will survive, but it's already been sealed. Everyone, you've got less than a minute to get away from the pit.
Okay, I'll pick him up. You get on my back.
No, we have to go.
What?
Where he lives, we die.
Lynn, he's family. We can't leave.
No, Jeff, we have to go now. Come on.
Come on.